Mastering Python, AI, and generative AI can truly be your career launchpad, especially at the Pamuni AI Learning Centre in Madurai. Imagine stepping into a world where technology meets creativity, where you can transform your passion into a profession. Let's dive into what we offer. Our courses are meticulously designed for aspiring developers, data enthusiasts, and even those looking to make a career change. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to enhance your existing skills, we've got something for everyone. First up, our Python programming course. Python is the backbone of many AI applications, and mastering it opens doors to numerous opportunities. You'll learn the fundamentals, from data types and control structures to functions and libraries. We emphasize hands-on projects, so you won't just be learning theory. You'll be building real-world applications that can impress potential employers. Next, we delve into artificial intelligence and machine learning. These fields are revolutionizing industries, and understanding them is crucial. Our modules cover everything from supervised and unsupervised learning to neural networks and natural language processing. You'll engage in practical exercises that allow you to apply what you learn, solidifying your understanding and boosting your confidence. Then, there's generative AI. This is where the magic happens. You'll explore how algorithms can create art, music, and even text. Imagine being able to develop your own AI models that can generate unique content. This module is not just about learning. It's about unleashing your creativity and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. One of the standout features of the Pamuni AI Learning Centre is our expert-led training. Our instructors are industry professionals with a wealth of experience. They don't just teach, they mentor. You'll have the opportunity to ask questions, seek guidance, and gain insights that you won't find in textbooks. Moreover, we believe in the power of practical experience. Our courses include projects that simulate real-world challenges. You'll collaborate with peers, tackle problems, and develop solutions that mirror what you'd encounter in a professional setting. This hands-on approach not only enhances your learning, but also builds your portfolio, making you more attractive to employers. Joining the Pamuni AI Learning Centre means becoming part of a vibrant community of learners. You'll network with like-minded individuals, share ideas, and collaborate on projects. This environment fosters creativity and innovation, essential qualities in today's fast-paced tech landscape. In conclusion, if you are looking to launch your career in tech, mastering Python, AI, and generative AI at the Pamuni AI Learning Centre is your best bet. With expert guidance, practical experience, and a supportive community, you'll be well equipped to navigate the exciting world of technology. Embrace this opportunity, and let's embark on this journey together.